Guys, welcome back to part 2 Husky's Garage. Today we're going to start trying to get this bed off. Mostly going to cut the old bolts. Everything's going to get replaced. So this is going to be complete frame off restoration. And I know a lot of you probably screaming at me like, no, don't do that, but I don't have much choice, y'all. This is a pretty rusty truck. We're trying to save it. So anyway, thanks for the new subscribers lately. Please, hopefully we've earned your subscription. Please like and subscribe, and give me some comments and thumbs ups so I know you're liking this stuff. And if you want to send me any kind of, sponsorships or anything like that, let us know. We'd be glad to have you. My email is in the contact information on my homepage on YouTube. So thanks, guys. God bless, and let's get to work. Okay, everybody, so I can't even get the tailgate to open, and you can see it's pretty bad shape too, so that's probably gonna have to replace. This might just become all wall art, which is sad because it's the original. But one of the main bolts up there, which looks like this, if y'all can see that one, it was up there. It's already came out. I'm pretty sure well, there's one over there. I don't know if it's loose or not. They're all pretty loose. I'm just gonna cut them off. I'm not even gonna fight them, and then we'll do what we did with the C10 and with the 57 Chevy truck, and I'll just manhandle this junk. We'll get it up off this frame so we can get this frame stripped, and then next we'll get the cab. Hopefully the cab at least loose off today. Probably gonna try to lift it off in part 3. We don't know yet. So y'all bear with us, and hopefully you're enjoying everything. Trying to get y'all a good view here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you one-manly, no crew, get a 1950 Chevy bed off, or a 1957 Chevy bed off, or a 1963 C10 Chevy bed off, because I've done all three of them by myself. And you know how it goes right back on? The same exact way. Except we'll have new parts then. I might disassemble that bed because we are going to get new fenders for the rear and everything else. So anyway, now we move on to the cab. But at least we have access to the frame, and I'll show you all that. Hang on. So, first looks at the frame under that. There's some growth growing over there. Moss, grass. Other than that, I don't see any major rust issues. 72, 73-year-old vehicle. Not too bad. Just dirt, lots of dirt and lots of rust on the surface. Nothing bad in the back of the cab, other than the cab corners. Don't look too bad. You got a moss growing on the rear end there. That's kind of cool looking. Of course, the e-brake cable is completely rusted through. You all can see that right there. Other than that, we got what we accomplished to get done today. And darn, I wish I had my jack. Y'all know my jack broke. It's on the scrap metal pile now, so I don't know what we gotta do. We gotta take this, start working on this cab, getting it off this body, and I gotta take the gas tank out. There's one bolt there. I'm assuming there's one over there in that corner. There's probably some under this gas tank, if I could imagine. And then I think there's some on the sides under it. So that's our next project. Might try to get it done. I'm not sure if we will or not. So there's another.